Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price after sideways consolidation had taken a support at $24.70 level and witnessed a upside pullback above its key resistance at $2500 level, signal short-term trend reversal from bearish to bullish in upcoming trading session. MCX gold price after sharp consolidation on downside has broken its important resistance of 71,000 level, indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, key important resistance holds at 72,000 level and break above will surge the price further up till 73,500 and 75,000 level in near term. On the other hand, key support hold at 70,800 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.